What was your focus at the age of 14? Probably playing with friends, watching TV, or if you were studious enough, reading, right? Well, today on Western Roundup, we feature 14-year-old Kelvin Peart of Queen Heights in Discovery Bay, St. Anne, who is not only balancing his studies and play, but also teaching students in his community who have been impacted by the closure of schools due to the COVID-19 pandemic. Stick around. When Kelvin Peart, a grade 8 student of Ferncourt High School in St. Anne, transformed an old bar adjacent to his home into a classroom, his only intention was to assist a few students who were not adequately engaged throughout the days.
Okay, I saw that it was a need. From Corona came and school closed. None of these students got access to their online classes. They were just on the road playing. So my godfather saw me and he said, "You want me to teach them?" So that Sunday evening I came and I cleaned the place, and my aunt and my dad. And the same Sunday I went and told them to send them the Monday. Because the education is very important.
Today, his class size has grown to 12 students and counting, and he has no regrets.
It has been great. The students are cooperative. They listen and they do their schoolwork. And it's easy because the bigger set students who are at school now, they're fast learners.
But who really is Kelvin Peart? One would guess he was destined to become a teacher, but the aspiring pediatrician is like your average 14-year-old who likes to have fun.
I like animals. In my hobbies, I go outside, I pick some leaves and make birds with it. I play by myself. I watch shows. Me and my dad sit and play Lodi. And we are teaching my stepmother now how to play it.
The actions of young Peart has warmed the hearts of not only his community members, but also stakeholders such as Education Minister Favour Williams, who has hailed Kelvin for taking on the selfless task.
I felt it necessary to be out here today to commend him for the work that he's been doing. Not a lot of young men of his age would have had the thought to help others, in terms of their educational pursuit. But he did. He brought the children here, and despite the fact that the circumstances might not be perfect or the best, but nevertheless, he gathered them around and he's doing the best that he can in terms of engaging them in their educational journey. We value education in Jamaica, and we value education among our young men in particular. And so when you see a young man like Kelvin, who is attending high school and has this sense about him, you have to commend him and hold him up as an example of what we would like to see in our young men or young boys as they progress through life.
Kelvin is my past student, and he was our deputy head boy in 2018. Kelvin has always been a very strong leader, a student who takes initiative. And for that, I am beyond elated. I'm so proud of him and this initiative and what it affords him and how he has grown and will continue to grow from this experience. I'm very, very, very proud. I would not want to be anywhere else this morning than here, supporting Kelvin and this initiative and the collaboration and partnership, because a few of my students are also here, and we would have solidified a partnership from the onset of COVID, where worksheets are delivered, worksheets are collected, along with other tangible needed resources. So Kelvin doing this, taking this initiative, looking out for our nation's children, as a child himself, it must be applauded.
His parents too are expressing joy and a feeling of accomplishment for the work of their son.
I'm so proud of this young man. I try everything with him. And he make me so proud that I don't know Word cannot explain. I feel so proud of him.
I'm very, very proud of him. I pray that God may continue to watch over him, guide him and protect him from all harm and danger. I want him to know that Mommy always love him and continue to do the good work.
So what does a normal school day in Kelvin's classroom look like?
I keep devotion with them, I mark the register, I set work on the board, first subject mathematics, I ensure that they understand, ask them if they understand. If they say yes, I write on the board and call them up to do it. Because some of the times they say they understand and then end up getting them wrong. Then while they're doing their schoolwork, I do mine also. When I get break, I give them break and rotate the process.
As he continues to take care of the needs of his peers, the school administration at the Fern Court High School is also doing their part in taking care of him. Kelvin has since received a full scholarship for the duration of his time at the institution, and through a partnership with Life Skills Publishing and the Ministry of Education, he will participate in a 4-month social and emotional learning program. Meanwhile, Kelvin also received classroom supplies, including books, pencils, and other items to assist with his efforts. Additionally, 6 students tutored by the teenager received tablet computers courtesy of the Rotary Club of New Kingston and SIM cards with 1 year free data. Yay, Kelvin! We too salute Kelvin for the work he has been doing in his community. Thanks for joining us for Western Roundup, where we take you from the corners of St. Elizabeth to the hilly terrains of St. Anne. Remember to send your feedback to jismobe@jis.gov.jm. Until next time, take care.